Today is day 16 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Can you believe we're more than halfway through? The time is flying oh so fast. Today's challenge is a super duper easy one. But first, I hope we have been keeping track of all of our habits. They haven't come very many, but towards the end of the challenge, I'm going to show you a simple way that we can make them fit seamlessly into our lives. So be sure to stay tuned for that. For today's challenge, we're going to go again on the FlyLady website, but this time we're going to read a morning musing, a testimonial, or simply ask the FlyLady a question. Alternatively, you can ask your questions down here below and I'll answer them to the best of my abilities. For today's fun twist, go ahead and give yourself an extra 15 minutes of rest time today, making it a total of 30 minutes. If you have to split it up, 15 minutes here and 15 minutes there, that's fine too. Just be sure that you're getting your 30 minutes today. Today, all we have to do is go to the FlyLady 31 Baby Steps page. I will link it down below. You can read this part if you wish, but really all we have to do is go to day 16 so that we can easily find the articles that the FlyLady would like for us to read today. They're actually super duper motivating, so feel free to select one or three of these articles. Alternatively, you can also ask me a question down below and I'll answer it to the best of my abilities. Today's challenge is super simple, right? Well, as I said, it was a super duper simple one today. I guess the FlyLady just wants us to know how well the system works. I can personally tell you it works super duper well because I've been doing it for a few years now and my home went from chaos to clean. So it really does work. Tomorrow is day 17 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, and I'm so excited to see you then. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!